times.
We're going to Disneyland right now?
No, better.
Better. We're going to Six Flags.
No, we
Yes,
stay here.
Oh no, that's boring.
I've got here a magic potion.
A magic hair potion?
Yeah.
For what?
It makes your hair grow.
Oh my God, my hair grow
Instantly.
instantly?
Yeah.
Oh my God, give me that. Put it on me.
Okay.
Okay. Oh yes, a little bit more. Come on.
Just a little bit more.
Yeah. Wait. Oh, Jesus Christ. Come on.
Just one more drop.
Bubble.
Is it not working?
What do you mean it's not working, huh?
Only the intelligent can see. Look in the mirror.
All right. Oh my God.
What?
It's curly
Curly.
and golden.
Wow.
How do I look?
Curly and golden.
Yeah.
You look like a ship. Bah. Bah.
What?
I mean, you look like an angel.
Oh, that's better. Angel, curly and golden. You know, Bubble, I'm ready for the party. Come on.
Let's